happiest moment in their life that they build another new house because the old
Hello
one is
guys,
very
we're here on the table. I want to show you.
okay guys. I was eating now in my breakfast uh, because I'm going to my friend that uh, we need to help them to demolish or just watching. I'm not helping, but I watch only. And what do you call this? What do you call this? Ano ba yung ano magkuan ka magtanaw na they demolish their house because they need to build a new one. So I eat my breakfast. Then after this, I need to go ahead. I'm going out to check down there. I want to see if what's going on after my breakfast. This is not advertising for my noodles that I eat. Lucky me. No, it's not. I'm just showing only what I eat. Okay. Now we are here. Look, this is the house from my friend. Look, guys, they demolished the other bedroom. That's the bedroom first, and you see that lady, the young lady. She is the yeah her look. She is a kagawad, like a counselor, who organized to the buildings. Yeah, and also the captain. It was there also. It is there also. Yeah, if you remember, for my first video, that I show you the house because that's a broken window, the storm or that. Yeah, see, look, the tatay, the owner is there, tatay Frank is there, and the people try to break the thing, and the captain is there, and a counselor. Yeah, that's tatay Frank. Look, that's a Captain Pabet. Is the one a leader also, also organizing to the people who help. Uh, then also exactly because it's a birthday for the son. Hi Lily, how pretty Lily is. She's a very nice person. She's the one organizing together with her later the captain. Yeah, I was so happy that I saw that they have already a progress to our to the building. So at least the roof, the metal roof, they don't get ruined, and also uh, the the what you call this, the plywood. Oh, I'm hoping only that we have exactly proper, exactly or enough to our wall. Yeah, it's very amazing. These people that helping them for the couple, they're old, and they need a little bit help for bayanihan buhol. Oh yeah, see, and it's very nice for them. Yeah, like look, that's the result. They take it down the two bedrooms there. Yeah, that's the bedroom at that side, and there are the people helping there. But mostly, Pabet is in the captain. The captain is in the top that mostly help, mostly doing the roofing. Thank you so much, Captain Pabet. I really appreciated what you're doing with together with Lily Moso. Lily Moso, you're the best, and also the family there. And that's me. Yes, I was so happy. I was so happy, and if especially when you see the progress when they finish, I am more happy. That's Cirilo, my buddy. Yeah. Today also is his birthday. Happy birthday, Lloyd. Thanks to everyone that greeted him. And thanks also to everyone helping them. We really appreciate. We really appreciate. But we also, very soon, when this one, I will show you also the progress if they will finish the other part, because oh my god, I am so excited, guys. I'm so excited. But when you see the progress, especially a little old people, and like this, they're old, uh, and you feel better. You feel better, even if we have nothing, just helping, like a little hello, Lord. Yeah, he's a very nice. He loved to cook. He loved to help people also. He's a sailor, smiling only. That's the best way to do, right? To smile, right? Okay, good, very good. And you're happy now, right? He's happy. See, be happy to smile. But if we have if we have enough like hollow blocks and cement, I guarantee only one day it's finished there. But I will try my best to do something. Yeah, because it's very good. It's very good. I am so excited to see that everything is there's Nane Ason there sitting down and yeah, see, oh my goodness, everyone is very happy. They're very nice. Yeah, and I like it. I like it. Really, I like it. It's very nice. Yes, guys, we heading soon. Yeah, she said that he's like, oh, happy birthday to me, oh, like that. So we heading to the other the the front from the beach. We went there, and yeah, because yeah, look, guys. Before I forget, yeah, this is the bathroom. I think yeah, this is the bathroom. So I try to ask them if they can connect. They can connect into the bedroom. Yeah, like that. So very soon, it's very. They will finish, but I will see. I will show you another video when what is the progress. The progress. Oh my goodness, is very good. Yeah. So yeah. Uh, I hope that they can see Kemi to go. Thank you so much for your help, Kemi. Thank you, Kemi, Brad Palmer, Janet, the God is Tutu. Okay, this is a progress now. Very soon I will show you, and they did it already, and that's the real there. Okay, so now we heading to the beach. We hidden for a little bit, like, because it's so tiring and I feel really not nice. So I asked my friend to go there into the beach, and we went there. Look, oh, so we go there, and they have a nice things here. Look. Oh, look at that. It's very, very nice, and the sea and the sky. But guys, I want to tell you something. I was sick. I feel very sick when I went there because I'm making for this project, Third on Proxy. Oh yes, because you know what happened after this, because it's very nice. Oh, I tell you, it's so nice, and very, the wind is very good. Oh my gosh. That one is my other into the other side for the beach also. We went to the Silo Azul. I think Silo Azul. I'm not really sure. That's another lady that we went. I asked permission, huh? I asked permission with them if it's okay that I can do vlog for them, like a little things. I asked only like, how are you, like this, like that. See, like that, very entertaining, and I really appreciate. I really appreciate. They're very nice to us, and they're okay when I asked it. Oh, it's okay if you are in my blog, and she said, "See, yes, Ate, don't worry, we're okay. Oh, okay, thank you." But if not, I don't do it because we need to ask permission. Yeah, we need to ask permission from them if it's okay, because if not, we don't do it, right? Because it's not really good. Always ask permission. Yeah, and I didn't really know. We have a schedule to go there. We go back there because they said that, oh, can we have a little get together? But I was coughing. I didn't come back. So I told him maybe next time because I cannot. face to the people, then I have aha aha, right? It's not really good. So I said maybe next time. So at least they said, oh, okay. So yeah, it's very nice. Yeah, because after I went to the demolition house, I asked them to get a break. That's why I was there. And I really happy, you see. They're very pretty though, very nice. They're Marian and Emelinda. Yeah, yeah, I think yeah. She's a very businesswoman person. Yeah, I really like them. Hello guys. I was cutting off because I'm talking foolish. I don't know what I'm saying. I talk wrong. Again, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoy my video. And I hope see you next time. And I will upload more. I didn't go live because I was not feel well. Okay. Have a good day.